Hello learners. In this tutorial we will be learning CSS Overflow Property. Watch this video till the end. Please support this channel. The CSS Overflow property is generally used when the content of the element does not fit in the specified area. The overflow property has the following values. Visible, it is set by default. The content generally goes outside the desired range. Hidden, the content which goes outside the desired range is invisible. Scroll, it adds a scroll bar to see the content and the content is clipped. Auto, it adds a scroll bar only if necessary. It is similar to scroll. Let's see a quick demonstration and understand each types one by one. First, let's create a div and set its height and width to understand what exactly is overflow. Now as we have set the range of the div, you can see some content getting out of the box which is by default overflow type visible. On setting the property overflow to hidden, the overflown part gets clipped. Similarly, there are two more parts, scroll and auto, which adds a scroll bar to the div so that we could easily see the clipped part. The only difference between overflow scroll and overflow auto is that overflow scroll adds scroll bar to both horizontal as well as vertical, but overflow auto adds scroll bar only when it is necessary. Like as we increased the height of the div, overflow auto removed the scroll bar within the div as it was not necessary, but as we will reduce the size, it will again add the scroll bar. Do not forget to give your valuable suggestions in the comment box. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel.